So here we are at a desktop. I'm going to start Internet Explorer, and I've created a web shortcut here called RD Web Access. I'm going to click that, and that brings me to this screen here, which has a place for the username and password. The user I'm going to use for this demo is LTHC/Tom Waters. I'm going to enter his password, then I'm going to click Sign In. Doing that causes me to see this screen here, and for this demo I'm going to select Access 2013 right here. Down here at the bottom, I get a message that says that RDP has finished downloading, and I could click one of these options, but I'm going to open it, which gives me this dialog box here, and it says that Access 2013 is starting. This then gives me another dialog box, and I'm going to use another account, and I'm going to type LTHC/Tom Waters, and I'm going to type the password again. Then I'm going to browse the My Documents folder here. And as you can see, I've created a folder here called Databases, and inside of that folder, I've already placed two different Microsoft Access database forms files. I previously opened Air1 Mechanical Forms. This time I'm going to open LTHC 2016-06-01, which is the June 1st, 2016 version of the LTHC database. When I open it, it's going to give me a security warning here. The first time I set up a new user for using the database on the RDS server, I'm going to get this enable content security warning, and what it's telling me is that the code which has been written inside of this Microsoft Access database has been disabled because it hasn't been given a trust setting. So I'm going to click enable content right there, and I'm going to also click the File menu option right here, and then I'm going to come down here to Options, and I'm going to go to the Trust Center right here, and then I'm going to go to Trust Center Settings right here. In this Trust Center, I then want to select this Trusted Locations, and I want to add a new location. Once I'm in this dialog box, and I want to browse to that folder that we were in a moment ago, the My Documents Databases folder, and we're going to then click OK, and we're going to click that subfolders are also trusted. And then we're going to click OK, and OK again, and then I'm going to close the database to cause the settings I just set to become active. So here we are at this website again that gives me the remote desktop apps that I've published on the server, and I'm going to click Access 2013. It's going to run this download again, and I'm going to open it. I'll get the password here. Just give it a second longer. It says it's connected to a remote app. There we go. We get the Access program opening screen, and as you can see down here, we get an icon as if this remote app, which is this Access program, it's as if it's running here on the local computer. In fact, if I had Google Chrome running and I were to click Alt-Tab, I can Alt-Tab through programs on the local computer as if it's running locally. So I'm going to go ahead and click Aircraft Mechanical Forms. And this time when Microsoft Access runs, it doesn't give me the security warning because I'm running it from the databases folder of the My Documents directory on the Remote Desktop Services server, and I told the Microsoft Access program that that was a trusted location.